everyone. In this video, my partner and I will discuss how to invest for beginners.
Before that, we will explain to you what is invest.
Hi Yana.
Hi Nai.
Actually, I want to ask, what is your opinion about investing?
Actually, investment is a simple thing that you can do even at home, that you only need to invest a little money, so you don't have to work overtime or find a second job. So you don't need to earn more earning.
Step 1. Get your finance in order. Jumping into investing without first examining your finance is like jumping into the deep end of the pool without knowing how to swim. On top of the cost of living, payments to outstanding credit card balance and loans can eat into the amount of money left to invest. Luckily, investing doesn't require a significant sum to start.
Step 2.
Learn the basics. You don't need to be a financial expert to invest, but you do need to learn some basic terminology so that you are better equipped to make informed decisions. Investing can be harmful and cause the loss of money or savings if done unwisely. Learn the differences between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETF, and certificates of deposit (CDS). You should also learn financial theories such as portfolio optimization, diversification, and market efficiency.
Step 3.
Set goals. Once you have established your investing budget and have learned the basics, it's time to set your investing goal. Even though all investors are trying to make money, each one comes from a diverse background and has different needs. Forming a goal helps determine the best investment vehicle to fit that particular goal. For example, when saving for retirement, a tax-deferred savings account, such as a traditional IRA, should probably be used. Safety of capital, income, and capital appreciation are some factors to consider. What is best for you will depend on your age, position in life, and personal circumstances.
Step 4. Determine your risk tolerance and find your investing style. Will a small drop in your overall investment value make you weak in the knees? Before deciding on which investments are right for you, you need to know how much risk you are willing to assume. Do you love fast cars and the thrill of a race? Or do you prefer reading in your hammock while enjoying the safety of your backyard? Investments that carry more risk offer a higher potential of return. Conversely, lower risk investments generally offer a lower rate of return. In the perfect scenario, an investment portfolio that has high return with little risk is the target goal for any investor. Then you can choose which investing style that you want.
Step 5.
Learn the cost. It is equally important to learn the cost of investing, as certain costs can cut into your investment returns. As a whole, passive investing strategies tend to have lower fees than active investing strategies, such as trading stocks. Stockbrokers typically charge commissions. For investors starting out with a smaller investment, a discount broker is probably a better choice because they charge a reduced commission. On the other hand, if you are purchasing mutual funds, keep in mind that funds charge various management fees, which is the cost of operating the fund, and some funds charge load fees. Step 6. The final step in your investing journey is reviewing your portfolio. Once you have established an asset allocation strategy, you may find that your asset weightings have changed over the course of the year. Why? The market value of the various securities within your portfolio has changed. This can be modified easily through rebalancing. Individual investments within a portfolio can grow at different pace. If the stock portion does very well, it might be a good idea to reallocate the growth back into bonds. Otherwise, it may increase the overall risk of the portfolio. Continually reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio is a key to successful investing. We hope that our video helps you a lot to invest in future. Good luck!
That's all from us. Thank